I'm just trying too hard. That's a hubcap right there. So that fits on there. Those fit on there. This lifts up with the key. That lifts up. That pushes onto there. That pushes down. And now it's locked in place. Oh, that's nice. Alright, let's see if I can make the other one happen a little easier. So open it. What you have to do is when it's unlocked is that this lifts up. This slips onto there. That slips onto there. Push that back down, lock it, and it's in place. And these will expand. And you could put whoever you want in there, and they also have big old waterproof bag to go in it. So with that, whatever I want to put in there, it's got a long enough strap I can expand that out for a ways. Throw my other bag on, which I may not even need anymore. And then this one expands the same way. Also has nice water bottle container, especially in Arizona. That pretty sharp. So I watched the guy compare different hard sides, and Bumot was the one that he really proved was just as good as any of them, and good at the price. So I went with his recommendation. I went with it on the soft side, and I'm gonna say put this outside, take it for a little ride. I think I'll put the top bag on now too. Oh, I've got it right here. I'd say I could go fishing for a whole weekend with that. Whoever made this one, it's not part of the Bumot one. This is just my regular travel bag. When I'm out in the desert, I put lots of water in it, put lots of tools in it, in case I need them. But it's a good bag for what it's for. It'll last